Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how can you import image in your Jupyter notebook. So before importing image in your Jupyter notebook, you have to copy the image in the current directory. Okay, so we have to know where is the current directory. So for the location of the current directory, you have to write these lines of code, import OS, and then these two lines. And if you enter, you can see our current directory is Naim and then user name. Okay, so if you open the user and then name, you can see all the other functions also here, and you have to copy the image here. So I have already copied the image, and the name of the image is naim.jpg, and then we have to uh, change code to markdown and image space src equal to the image name, the image, whatever the name of the image, you have to just write down here with the extension. And then if you shift plus enter, you can see the image is being displayed here. So the image is too big, and if you double click on the image, you will get back to the code again, and then you can also resize it, like style equal, I want to make it 200 to 220 pixel. And now if you hit enter, you can see that the image has been resized. So this is how guys you can import the image. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching this video, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel.